Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to start second lesson of maths number work. You have seen a video before about number work, okay? In previous video you have learned about number work, 4-digit numbers, numbers in words and figures. Okay, you have seen 5 digits numbers, reading and writing 5 digits numbers, and numbers in words and figures. Try to solve given exercise on this topic in your textbook and workbook. If you need, inform me. I will solve your queries about all this. Okay, today we are going to see expanded form of a number. See, today we are going to learn the expanded form of number. Okay, exercise page number 11. Exercise, see the exercise. We will take first example, that is 7,545. Okay, this is units, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay, now write unit. First we will write thousand. What is thousand? 7,000 plus 500 plus 45. 45 means 40 tens, 4 tens, that is 40 plus 5. Okay, this form is called expanded form of a number. Okay, now we will take another example. We will take 3,209. Okay, see here in thousands, 3,000. We will take 3,000 plus we will take 200. 3,209. So we will take 3,000 plus 200, and here is no tens. 0 tens means no tens. So we will take nothing in tens. We will take directly unit 9. Okay, this is the expanded form of number. You can see 10 examples in textbook. You have to solve this in your notebook. Okay, if expanded form has given, we can convert it into a number. See the first example, 3,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 7. Okay, here these all are place values, so we can write directly here 3,257. 57. We have converted this expanded form into this number. See some more examples. 4,000 plus 300 plus 5. Now see, here we can see 4,300, but there is no tens are given here. So we will write here 0. 4,300 and units 5. 4,305. If we get 90,000 plus 5,000 plus 200. Okay. Now see, 90,000, that is 10,000 place. In 10,000's place there will be 9 and 1,000 place 5. 95,200. There is no tens and no units, so no tens we will write 0 to tens. No units we will write 0 in unit place. Okay, understood? Another example, 8,000 plus 100 plus 5. We will write 8,000. 8,000. 8 is on in thousands place. So we will write 8,100. There is no 10. So we will write 0 in tens place and then write 5 units. Okay, understood? You have to solve this in this exercise. Third question is, some digits and their places in the number are given below. Write down the numbers they make. For example, 5 10,000s, 2,000s, 300, 2 tens and 1 unit. That is 52,321. Okay, now we will take first example of this. 7 units, 2 tens, 5 10,000s, 9 thousands. We will write this in proper sequence. Here is 5 10,000. We will write that first. 5 10,000s. 10,000s. 9 thousands. Okay. Here is no hundreds. So there is no hundred. So we will take 0 on 100 place. 2 tens and 7 units. Now write it directly. 5 10,000s, 9 thousands. There is no number in 100 place, so we will take 0 in 100 place. Then 2 at 10 place and 7 at unit place. Okay, understood? We will take another example randomly. 5 tens, 1 hundreds, 3 units, 22 10 hundreds, 10,000, sorry. Okay. Now we will write this in proper sequence. 2 10,000s. So we will write 2 10,000s, 5 there is no number given at 1000 place. So we will take at 1000 place 0, and then 100, 5 tens and 3 units. How to write? 2 10,000s. There is no number given in 1000 place, so we will write 0 here. 100, 5 tens and 3 at unit. Here we can see 2 10,000s. There is no value for 0, so here is no 1153. Okay. Complete this exercise like this. Now see, place value. We will take a number, okay? 25,555. Okay, we will write it in expanded form. Okay, so 2 is in 10,000 place, units, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So 2 is in 10,000 place. So we will write it 20,000 plus 5 is in 1000 place. So we will write 5,000 500, 100, 5 is on 100 place. We will write 500. Here is another 5 on tens place. So we will write 5 tens, that is 50. And this is unit place. There is also 5. So we will write 5. 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 500 plus 50 plus 5. This is the expanded form of this number. You can see that there are 5 4s in this number. Same number at 5 places. But their values are not same. We can see here in expanded form that 5 at 100 place is carried a value that is 5,000. The 5 at unit place is 5. 5 at tens place 50. 5 at 100 place 500. And 5 at thousands place, that is 5,000. These are carried their place values, different place values. When 5 is at unit place, that is single 5. 5 at tens place, that is 50. Now we will see, write the place value of the underlined digit in the following number, the exercise. Okay, first number 1999. Now they have underlined this 9. Which place is this? Count from units, tens, hundreds and thousands. This 9 is at tens place. So this is 9 tens, that is 90 is the place value of this 9. Underline 9 is 90. We will see some more examples. 2,500. Okay, 3,252. Now write the place value of these two. This is unit, tens, 100 and thousands. These 2 is at 100 place. So the place value of 2 is 200. Okay, we will see another 2 examples. Then you will understood. 8,333. Okay. Now tell the value of these 8. Again count from units, tens, hundreds and thousands. 8 is at 1000 place, so its value is 8,000. 99,999. Now tell me the value of these 9. Units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. The value of these 9 is 100. So we will write its place value 900. In the same way, solve this exercise on place value.